Good morning, everyone. For our sermon, our group chose to compare the human resource management of practices of Honda and Proton. Honda represents an international automotive company from Japan, while Proton is Malaysia's national car manufacturer. In this report, we focus on our four HRM areas, which are training and development, personal performance evaluation, occupational safety and health, and industrial relations. The purpose of this comparison is to understand how both companies manage their employees, identify their similarities and differences, and also analyze their strengths and weaknesses. By comparing a global company like Honda with a local company like Proton, we are able to see how different backgrounds and resources influence their HRM practices. The first slide is about training and development. For training and development, Honda follows the Japanese Kaizen philosophy, which means continuous improvement. Honda provides very advanced technical training through their Honda Technical Training Centers. They also practice job rotation to help employees develop multiple skills. Honda has strong leadership programs and even sends employees to overseas, especially to Japan, to learn global best practices. And for Proton, training is also important, but the focus is more on developing local skills. Proton provides technical training through the Proton Training Academy and uses on the job training for new employees. They work together with DRP Highcombe University for academic development. After Proton partnered with Geely 2017, their training improved a lot, especially in hybrid and electric vehicle technology. Employees also get the chance to train in China for new model development. Overall, Honda training system is more matured and global, while Proton training is improving rapidly due to new technology and industry collaboration.
Next, I will explain about performer evaluation. Performer evaluation help company understand employee strength, weaknesses, and training needs. And it's guide reward and career planning. Both company, Honda and Proton, use structured system, but they focus on different things. Which is Honda follow the Kaizen philosophy and evaluation both result and behavior, checking skill, teamwork, communication, and problem solving. Two formal review a year plus daily managing along with self evaluation and support from the senpai kohai monitoring model. High performer may receive bonus, promotion, and overseas training. In the other side, Proton system improved after partnering with Geely in 2017 using KPI that measure productivity, quality, safety, and attendance, while managerial staff using the balance scorecard. Performance is reviewed yearly with regular check-in, digital tool for real-time checking, and rewards such as bonus, salary increase, and training in China. Other issues like consistent standard and heavy dependence on supervisor rating still exist.
For section 4.0, I will compare the occupational safety and health practice of Honda and Proton. Honda follow ISO 45001, provide regular safety training and use advanced PPA and modern monitoring system. They also conduct frequent audits. This make Honda very strong in safety, but it comes with higher cost and more rigid procedure. Proton, on the other hand, follow EOSH requirement and use a simple safety system. Training is mostly basic induction, PPE is standard, and monitoring is limited. This approach is practical and cost-effective but less systematic than Honda. In summary, both companies ensure workplace safety, but Honda is more advanced. But Proton is more basic and focused on local compliance.
Hello, my name is Sean E. My number matric is 241220859. Here is a brief comparison of industrial relations between Honda and Proton. Honda follows a strong global human rights policy based on International Labour Organization standards. It focuses on the fair treatment, zero discrimination, and freedom of association. Honda also uses a proactive system that identifies issues early and provides confidential channels for employees to raise concerns, creating an open, respectful, and ethical workplace. Proton, meanwhile, uses a more formal and union-driven approach. The company works closely with unions through collective agreements that determine wages, benefits, and working conditions. This ensures stability and transparency. Proton also partners with JTM and TVET programs to build long-term technical skills. In short, Honda is a globally ethical and proactive, while Proton is union-focused and negotiation-based. Both maintain stable industrial relations but through different methods.
Next, I will talk about the similarity between Honda and Proton. So I will explain a few aspects. The first one is type of company. Honda basically from Japan. Proton is locally is Malaysian brand. So both produce and sell car. Next, manufacturing. Honda assemble in Malacca and Proton we have at Shah Alam and Tanjung Malim. Next, types of vehicle. Honda we have sedan, hatchback, SUV and MPV. Same goes to Proton. So offer similar vehicle categories. Next is market segment. Honda we have affordable mass market car which is Honda City and HRV. Same goes to Proton. We have Saga and X50. Both target is mainstream customer. Next is safety system. For Honda we have Honda Sensing, multiple airbags and ESC. Same goes to Proton. Both prioritize safety features. Next, I will explain about difference between Honda and Proton. For the first aspect is brand positioning. Honda is more premium and global, but Proton is more affordable and national brand. Technology level for Honda is more advanced because they have Honda Sensing and IVTEC. For Proton, still improving, especially with Geely collaboration. So for the price range for Honda is usually higher than Proton, starting middle to high range. For the Proton, more budget friendly, low to middle range. So for global presence, Honda sold worldwide in many countries, but Proton on mostly in Malaysia and some export market. Last, for the maintenance cost, Honda generally is higher, Proton is more cheaper maintenance and part.
Here is the strength comparison between Honda and Proton. For training and development, Honda excels with global Kaizen training, job rotation, and overseas program. While Proton improved quickly through Geely, the Proton Training Academy, and EV training in China. For performance evaluation, Honda used a competency and behavior-based system with continuous coaching, while Proton applies KPI-focused evaluation with balanced scorecard and new digital monitoring. In safety and health, Honda meets ISO 45001 with strict audits, while Proton follows DOSH standards using practical and cost-effective safety methods. Finally, for industrial relations, Honda follows LIO standards with strong complaint channel, while Proton benefits from strong unions, transparent collective agreements, and TVET collaboration with JTM. Overall, Honda is strong globally, while Proton is rapidly modernizing.
Next, I will explain about weaknesses between two companies, which is Honda and Proton. I will go with Honda first. Honda weaknesses come from a strict global standard and high cost because follow the Japanese principle like Kaizen. Many of HR practice are very rigid and demanding. Honda also spend a lot on technology, global training, and detailed evaluation, which is this is add pressure on workers and makes the system less flexible in local workplace. Safety system also use expensive tool. Proton, on the other hand, struggling with inconsistency and limited technology even after work with Geely 2017. Many of HR system like training, performance review and safety are still developing. Different departments may use different standards because of bias, and training facilities are not very advanced.
For the conclusion, the studies show that human resource management play a very important role in helping organizations maintain stable and effective operation. HRM practice such as training, performance, appraisal, job safety, and recruitment have a direct impact on employee productivity and work quality. Effective HRM to also help employees improve their skill and adapt to new technology, including the use of AI and modern machinery. With strong HRM, companies are able to meet current industry standards, remain competitive, and maintain consistent performance. Overall, the findings show that effective of HRM is one of the key factors that determine whether organization can continue grow and compete in the future. So that's all for me. Thank you.